Hello, Dr. Kapi speaking.
Hi man, this is Jackson. Where are you now?
I am at home.
Mary, Mary, are you at home? Mary,
Is everything ready to be delivered?
I am always ready for you. So, where are we gonna meet up?
The place I choose is lighted, and you have to be there at 9 p.m. sharp. Oh, one thing that I forgot to tell you, you must come along.
Positively, yes.
Anna, that's piano.
Oh, yeah, that's him.
I think he is looking for Mary. Let's go talk to him.
Hi.
hi.
Are you looking for Mary?
Do you know where she is?
She has gone already.
Sure.
Her dad want her back right now.
So I'm going home, sure. See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, Mary speaking.
I've heard the ladies told me why you couldn't see me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was about to call you, but the phone ran out of battery.
Is it okay if we can meet at a night day? I mean that you can bring all your friends.
Okay, sure. What time?
It's 5 o'clock in the evening. Trust me, it will never be regret.
Oh, okay. I'll believe you once. Hey, wait. My dad is coming by. I better hang up now.
Okay, bye bye. See you at 5.
That's what I'm talking about.
Your father is a drug dealer, you see.
Now I know why you wouldn't let me get into his lecture room because of this. This is disaster.
Okay. Stop!
What's the man bringing to the car?
You can leave me. I cannot leave you.
Open up your heart to me. And my mind. Oh yes, I know that we have been through so much pain, but I still need you in my life this time. And I need you tonight. I need you right now. I know it's in my heart. It doesn't matter if it's wrong or right. I really need you tonight. I figured out what to say to you. Sometimes the words they come out so